everyone, welcome back. If it's maybe your first time stopping by, I'm Katie and I love to share home and lifestyle content here on my channel. And if you guys are returning, thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel and for your continued support. I'm just so happy that you guys are here. I have a few things going on in today's video. I wanted to share a really yummy dinner recipe, which is actually perfect for weeknights like I'm filming today. And today's video is actually sponsored by WILDGRAIN. So I'm gonna be using some of the delicious items they sent over to put together that recipe for you guys. So make sure you stick around for that. I also have a few things that I wanna do here in the kitchen, kind of show you guys a few items that I spotted out in the store and just make a few changes around the house. So I wanna take you guys with me. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. I have honestly been loving sharing drink recipes in my videos, and it seems like you guys have really been enjoying them too. But today I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour myself just a Starbucks iced cold brew that I had in the fridge. So we're not doing anything from scratch, just keeping it simple, but I do love putting my drinks in a fancy glass. So I went ahead and poured my iced coffee, and let's get down to business. So this is an area in my kitchen you actually don't see very often, and not for any particular reason, but I felt like it just needed a little refresh. And since we've been doing a lot of refreshing around the house lately, I decided this was the perfect opportunity. So recently we refreshed my coffee bar, and this beautiful marble tiered tray was over in the coffee bar, and it's just been kind of floating around, and it's so beautiful. I thought it deserved a better place. So I don't know if this is gonna stay here, but for right now I feel like I'm really liking it. And I was a little bummed because some of the items that I picked up from the new Hearth and Hand collection, if you guys missed my last video, I did a huge haul on some of my favorite finds that I've picked up, not only from Hearth and Hand, but seasonally. And I sit down and show you guys everything. It's a really, really fun video. And I am finally putting out some of the items that I shared for that one because I felt like I couldn't put it out until I filmed that video. And now that video is out, I can finally put these items out. So we're gonna do it together. This is an oil and vinegar bottle set from Hearth and Hand. Again, this year, new this season. And I really wanted to put them here on the bottom of this tiered marble tray, but they just didn't fit. So like I said, I don't know if this is how it's going to stay, but it definitely makes sense for the time being. The other items I picked up are these beautiful brass salt and pepper mills. Again, I really wanted them to be on the bottom. They were too tall, so we're going to go ahead and put them here on the top. But overall, I think it all comes together really, really pretty. The other item I'm getting ready to show you guys here in just a moment is this butter keeper, again by the new Hearth and Hand line. This thing is so heavy and quality made, and I just had a butter tray out on my counter, and I've learned that butter keepers can keep your butter fresh longer by putting the butter here in the lid, and then you put a little bit of water at the bottom, and it just kind of creates a seal and keeps everything fresher longer. And I love having room temperature butter out on the counter. So I thought this was a very not only like beautiful thing to purchase, but it was practical too. I love this kettle so much. I'm so glad I ended up going with this green instead of the typical white that I would usually get. I feel like it's going to look so pretty on my stove here in the kitchen for fall and Christmas. Thank you so much to WILDGRAIN for partnering with me on today's video. WILDGRAIN is the first bake from frozen subscription box for sourdough breads, artisanal pastries, and fresh pastas. My delivery was packed full of amazing goodies like pasta, delicious sourdough, focaccia, burger buns, croissants, and even yummy sweet treats like giant chocolate chunk cookies. You will never run the risk of getting bored because WILDGRAIN consistently adds new seasonal special items to try. And I also wanted to share that I learned that every one membership equals 4 meals donated to the Greater Boston Food Bank. I was itching to try out their sourdough. I tried so hard to be that sourdough starter girly, but I just could never seem to get it right. So to me, having fresh bread that I could just throw in the oven from freezer to table in 25 minutes was a dream come true. I wanted a quick and easy weeknight meal, so I decided to try out the tonarelli pasta, and it was so good. It tasted like I made it fresh from scratch, or I went to a 5-star Italian restaurant. Even my husband and my kids said it was easily the best pasta that they've ever had. If you would like to check out WILDGRAIN, be sure to click the link in the description box below and use my code TYPICALLYKATIE to get $30 off your first box, plus you'll get free croissants for life. Thank you so much again to WILDGRAIN for supporting my channel and sponsoring today's video. I wanted to ask you guys if you guys have gone back to school yet. We went back a week ago and it feels so good just to be back in a routine. And so I was curious if you guys went back yet. I also wanted to share in this clip, I'm just getting my robot vacuum going. I could not be bothered to do my floors. And I have a question. So I wanted to show you guys, this is the hallway right off the entryway, as you guys can see. And it leads into the guest bedroom and our downstairs bathroom. My robot's about to run right now, so pardon the noise. But I want to turn my attention to this hallway. I want to see if I can find a really nice runner and then do something on this wall. But let me know, other than like a gallery wall or something, what would you guys do in this hallway? Because I already have a family gallery here on my stairs, and then I also have a family gallery here on this wall. So I would love to hear what you guys think I should do in this hallway. Recently did this together in a previous video. We hung these pieces of art with that artwork light there. Now I could do something similar over there in that hallway, but I wanted just to see if you guys had any better ideas, just so everything wasn't like more of the same. I wish I could find another one of these rugs, but I've had no luck. I'm gonna continue searching though. But I would just love your input and help on what to do in that other hallway. So please drop your ideas down below in the comments. I wanted to share that I cannot believe, you guys, that I'm about to have a 12-year-old. Actually, the day I'm doing this voiceover is the day before his birthday. So today is his last day of being 11, and I'm taking him to Disneyland tomorrow. I cannot wait. We were supposed to go back in June and had to cancel because we all got COVID. And then we are annual pass holders, and then my pass blacked out for 2 months because I just have the local Southern California pass. And so we blacked out for summer break. And now our passes are up and going again, and it's in perfect timing for his birthday. So we are going to Disneyland tomorrow. I cannot believe I have a 12-year-old, you guys. It really does go by way too fast. But happy birthday, Rylan. If you ever watch this video, mommy loves you so much. And yes, sometimes my kids do watch my videos. But if you guys wanted to wish him a happy birthday, his name is Rylan, and you can wish him happy birthday down below in the comments, and I will make sure I let him know. But as you guys can see, we did some tidying up here in the family room, and my nails have been looking so haggard, you guys, and I've been really trying to do them at home, and I am actually making progress and getting a little bit better. And in one of my previous videos, I showed how I've been trying to like sit down, and I've been coloring in my coloring books, I've been baking, cooking, and one of the other things that I love to do is painting my nails. So I just wanted to share what I was doing and what color I was using. And then I was kind of getting the feeling for something sweet, so then I wanted to go in and bake some cookies. These cookies are the giant chocolate chunk cookies. They came in my latest WILDGRAIN box, and you guys, these were so good. My husband said that they were absolutely fantastic, and seriously, you don't have to defrost them or anything. You just pull them out of the freezer, put them on a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I threw them in the oven. And I love to take mine out a couple minutes early because all of us in my family love how they're a little gooey in the middle. So I went ahead and threw those in the oven, and they were the perfect late night treat. These clips you're seeing here were actually previously filmed a few days prior, and I really wanted to get them in this video, and I actually didn't plan on grabbing these when I was in the store, but I decided to pop in Michael's, and I haven't been in this store in a while, and you guys, oh my gosh, their fall and Halloween decor this year is so beautiful. So I just pulled out my phone and grabbed some clips for you guys. Let me know if you guys have checked out Michael's and if you guys picked up anything. I didn't grab anything this particular day. I just kind of popped in. I was in a rush and I saw the Michael's was right there, and I was just curious and wanted to go inside, and I couldn't help but just do a hot lap throughout the store. So I wanted to put in some clips of that shopping trip, and as you guys know, I mentioned before, I'm gearing up for all things fall. Come the first week of September, maybe the very end of August, it is game over. I feel like everyone has their own timeline or their own rules of when they decorate, and I love seeing how and when everybody decorates their homes. And I saw somebody share online that when Disney decorates, then it's game on. And if I go by that rule, Disney decorates at the end of August. So I believe their Halloween decor goes up August 23rd. So if I go by that rule, fall content is coming super soon here on my channel. So make sure you guys stick around for that. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe before you go so you don't miss any of that upcoming content. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And I also wanted to remind you guys to check out WILDGRAIN. I will have the link down below in the description box. Use my code TYPICALLYKATIE for $30 off your first box, plus the free croissants for life. And I'll have everything you need down below. And thank you again for watching today. I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.